don't want this morning to end either, but it's going to at some point. Before we're all said and done, though, at Kicks Country 92.9, going to give away some more of those free tickets for the weekend at Mudwheelers Gone Wild at Redneck Mud Park. If you've gotten registered on our website, then you're automatically in the running, I should say. And good luck to you. We'll have that announcement coming up at the end of the program. Let's take a time out, though. At this particular point, it's 9:32. About this time on Wednesdays, we present Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And maybe today's the day he'll answer your question. We're about to find out, and I'll also tell you how to get a question in for future consideration. Would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How you doing this beautiful morning?
Just great. Kind of weather I like, and I'm going to bet you're on the positive side as well.
Oh, the weather couldn't be nicer. It's so nice to be here in Southwest Florida.
Always a ray of sunshine on this radio program, in addition to a wealth of legal knowledge with, going on 52 years now in the legal game. And
yes, sir.
Hopefully be able to shed some light on a problem that's been presented to us. We're going to present it to you now and see what you think. Are you ready?
I am ready, Todd.
Okay, the email reads as follows. I was severely injured when a drunk driver hit me. We hear far too many of those. His insurance company acknowledged he was at fault and indicated they would pay for all my medical and replace my car along with my lost wages. However, they are now questioning the bills and the follow-up therapy I will need to regain complete mobility. The settlement they offer is not enough to even begin paying for all the treatment I will need. The driver who hit me has a lot of insurance because he has a business that insured his car. My wife has had to leave her job to help take care of me. I'm only 32 years old, and this accident is putting a strain on our marriage. Is it too late for us to contact a lawyer since the insurance company has already paid some bills? Can you ask the lawyer how he might be able to help? Bruce, I'm sure you've run across this kind of thing before. The insurance company has paid some of the bills, and then they start balking. And then somebody says, gee, I wonder if a lawyer can help me. What do you say to this?
Well, as long as the individual didn't sign a release releasing the insurance companies, it's never too late to hire an experienced personal injury lawyer.
Okay.
Matter of fact, the first thing they should have done after the accident, after they put their insurance company on notice, is to call an experienced personal injury lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
They have to realize that the insurance company is in business to pay them as little as they possibly can.
Correct.
Our job as personal injury lawyers is to put them back in the place that they were prior to the accident.
Mm-hmm.
Especially in this case, there appears to be substantial insurance, so they're entitled to a major recovery. And it's even greater because the at-fault was drunk. Besides the normal damages of pain and suffering and inconvenience and inability to enjoy life, medical bills and loss of income, they're entitled to punitive damages to punish the person who was driving at fault and caused this serious accident. So it's very important that they contact the lawyer, and it's not too late. And one fact I'd like to share with our listeners is Allstate did a survey several years back, and it showed that people who were injured in an accident that hired a lawyer, on average, had a settlement 3 times greater than they would have had if they hadn't hired a lawyer.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that's interesting.
An in-house survey done by Allstate.
Wow. Okay. And in this case, there are a whole bunch of different angles that need to be compensated, I guess would be the word. For example, his wife had to leave her job to help take care of him. So he's losing wages, and she's losing wages. Is that something that can be compensated for?
Absolutely. And she has a claim for what we call loss of consortium or loss of the services of her husband.
Okay.
He can't perform the way he would have if he wasn't injured, and she's entitled to be compensated for that.
Okay. So the answer to his question is, how can a lawyer help? Well, the answer is get a hold of a legal professional immediately, if not sooner, and you'll find out.
That's correct.
Yeah. Well, it's nice to hear that there is a potential upside here. I like that it was a business insured vehicle. That suggests, anyway, doesn't it, that there might be enough money for compensation?
That certainly suggests that, and hopefully for the caller's sake, that's the case.
Yes. All right, we're going to keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully he'll check back in and let us know how things are progressing with this. Bruce, once again, thank you so much. I'm sure that provides a great deal of relief to them if they're listening this morning.
It's my pleasure, Ty. I always like your challenging questions.
And we'll have another one for you next week. I am positive of that. So please take care of yourself, say hi to the family, and we'll talk to you again soon.
Okay, thank you, Ty.
Okay, thanks, Bruce. Bye-bye. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Now, if you are in a similar situation and you don't want to wait to hear your answer on the radio, that would be understandable. Why not send your question in, call your question in, I should say, to Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner in their Port Charlotte office. 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. If you'd like to submit a question through our website, simply go there and type Bruce into the keyword search box, and you'll get to the right place. Again, the phone number for the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner, that's 941-743-7777. Tell them that Todd sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.